Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make someone an admin on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click your server admin at the top of the channel list, then select Server Settings from the drop-down that appears. In the Settings sidebar on the left, click Roles to open the Roles Management page. Click the Create Role button at the top right to start setting up your new admin role. The role editor opens. Click into the role name field at the top and type Server Admin. Click the Permissions tab just below the role name to switch to the Permissions view. Scroll down through the permissions list and toggle Administrator on. This grants full server control to anyone with this role. Click Save Changes at the bottom to create the role with these permissions. The changes save and the button returns to its normal state. Your server admin role is now active. To assign this role to a member, you'll need to go to the Manage Members section for this role, or right-click their name in the member list. The administrator permission overrides all other settings and gives complete control over your server, so only assign it to people you fully trust. If you need a more limited admin role, skip the administrator toggle and pick individual permissions instead. You can grant things like manage channels, manage messages, or kick members without giving total access. To remove the role from someone later, go back to Roles, click your server admin role, select Manage Members, and click the X next to their name. And that's how to make someone an admin on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.